Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. This Beijer QTERM operator interface is used with a Rottler engine block boring system. The interface has been completely rebuilt and is ready for use again after a number of failed parts were identified and replaced, including the backlight and display. This particular unit is used to set the overall boring parameters used on the engine block being reworked. As with all our repairs, this terminal comes with our 3-year warranty and has been fully tested on our test motor. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.